Hey there, pioneers! Here's how you can find the old habitat in Subnautica 2. The old habitat's a key location where you can find lots of useful blueprints, both practical and aesthetic. To find it, start from the front of your life pod and align your compass to the north. I activated the marker for the old habitat so you can see where it aligns on the compass. Assuming you don't have the old habitat marker, just keep heading north and keep checking on the distance by looking back at your life pod. If you're 350 meters away from it, that means you're close to the old habitat. Now, if you dive from this point, you'll find these underwater ruins on the ocean floor. That'll be the old habitat. Swim down and you can find an entrance via the northeast wing, to its rear entrance or on the breach holes beneath it. Have fun exploring the area to uncover its secrets. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave us a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.